Hey there, fabulous homeowners! Are you tired of looking at the same old floors every day? Do you dream of giving your home a fresh new look without spending a fortune? Ready to give your floors a makeover without breaking the bank? Imagine walking into a room that feels brand new, with floors that shine and impress every guest who steps inside. Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. You don't have to wait any longer to make that dream a reality. You can get an amazing discount on your dream floors right now with the 50 Floor promo code. Yes, you heard that right. An incredible discount that will make your flooring project more affordable than ever. Yep, you heard me right. This is your chance to save big while transforming your home into a stylish haven. Imagine walking into your home and feeling like you've just stepped into a magazine spread. The elegance, the style, the sheer beauty of new floors can completely change the vibe of your space. Doesn't that sound amazing? Well, it's more attainable than you think. You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve that high-end look. And trust me, your feet will thank you. Walking on new, high-quality flooring is a pleasure you have to experience to believe. So, how do you get in on this sweet deal? It's super simple. You don't need to jump through hoops or fill out endless forms. Just click the link in the description below to snag your exclusive discount. It's quick, easy, and you'll be on your way to a home transformation in no time. With a few clicks, you'll be on your way to transforming your home from meh to marvelous. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about getting new floors, it's about enhancing your entire living experience. You don't need to be a flooring expert to get started. No need to worry about making the wrong choice or struggling with installation. 50 Floor makes the entire process a breeze. From selecting the perfect flooring to professional installation, they've got you covered. They'll bring the samples to you, handle the measurements, and even do the installation. You get to see how the samples look in your own home, under your own lighting. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your floors get a fabulous facelift. Enjoy a cup of coffee while the professionals handle everything. And let's be real for a second. We all have busy lives, and the last thing we want is to add more stress. Who wants to spend their weekends shopping for flooring, lugging heavy samples around, and dealing with pushy salespeople? Not me. And I'm sure not you either. That's why 50 Floor's in-home service is such a game changer. It takes the hassle out of the equation and makes the entire process enjoyable. Okay, quick recap. Stunning new floors? Check. Huge discount? Check. Super easy process? Check. What more could you ask for? What more could you ask for? So don't wait. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. This limited time offer won't last forever. Act now to take advantage of these amazing savings. Click the link in the description below to get your 50 Floor promo code and start your flooring transformation today. Your dream home is just a click away. Your dream home is just a click away. Imagine the joy of stepping into a beautifully floored home every day. And remember, the best rooms have amazing floors. Floors that not only look good, but also feel good under your feet. Thanks for watching and happy home improving. We can't wait to see the transformation you achieve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might need a flooring boost too. See you next time. Your dream floors are just a click away.